Alright guys, so today we got a pair of sneakers that, you know what, kind of surprised me. I was kind of feeling a little bit meh about them, you know, I could either have them or not have them and it wouldn't really bother me. However, getting these in hand, you know what, I'm actually really liking them. So let me just show you the pair of sneakers I'm talking about. It is the Adidas Forum Low 84 in the chalk white colorway. Alright, so here is the box. There's nothing special about this. It's probably as basic of an Adidas box as you could possibly get. It's pretty much triple black. I will give you a look at that size tag just so you can have a look. Now let's pop these open and see what we got. I like these a lot, and with summer right around the corner, I think you guys are gonna like these too. Today's pair of sneakers, guys, the Adidas Forum Low 84 chalk white. So first of all, let me get this out of the way. I think the biggest surprise with this pair of shoes is the quality. I really, especially considering the price tag, really did not expect the craftsmanship and just the quality of this pair of shoes. They feel super premium to hand, lots of suede and leather, and just overall really dope. And the best thing about this is these actually retail for only £85 here in the UK, or only $110 out in the US. So this Adidas model actually originally released back in 1984, hence the name 84, and they've kind of been re-released or brought back from the archives, at least by Adidas' standards. Now this specific colorway, the chalk white colorway, I liked for a couple different reasons. First of all, I think the colors on here are just super nice, the white mixed with the kind of sail or off-white, and then the fact that it doesn't have the strap like a lot of the other models. Of course, that's just personal preference. If you like the one with the strap, that's perfectly fine. However, I just kind of like it when it doesn't have the strap. So the Adidas Forum silhouette actually comes in a few different variants or cuts. You can get the high top, the mid top, the low cut, and the low cut with the strap. And again, you may have seen these before. Back in 1984, Michael Jordan actually wore it. I believe it's the only pair of Adidas sneakers he wore to a game. And then there's a lot more collaboration. So we're seeing a Bad Bunny collaboration. Of course, we had the first one, which was the all over brown colorway. And now we're going to be seeing the pink colorway. That Bad Bunny collaboration definitely drew a lot more attention to the Forum silhouette in general. And of course, those are reselling for something incredibly high. Another thing that I'm hearing is people comparing this to the Dunks, or at least this is Adidas's Dunk. Both of these do share similarities, both kind of fit in the lifestyle skating category. However, I think it's pretty safe to say that the Adidas Forum Low, or any Forum for that matter, just has a little bit more premium materials than the Dunks. I mean, you feel it immediately when you get these in hand. Now, this specific colorway has a really nice soft feeling leather that of course you find on the toe box, kind of the medial and lateral, and a little bit around that ankle area. And for the mug guard, you're getting a really nice soft feeling suede, which comes in a little bit more of a beige color. Around the back of the sneaker, you get some more of that soft suede feeling material, and that kind of comes in an off-white color. More leather over by the eye stays. Of course, you have leather 3 stripes just kind of stitched to the side of the shoe, plenty of perforation holes. The tongue comes in a mesh material, and at the top you get a very light blue Adidas trefoil logo. Sock liner has a decent amount of padding, and let me tell you, when you're wearing these, you feel all of those really nice materials. These feel weighty, they feel decent in hand, and of course when you're actually wearing these, I gotta say they are pretty comfortable. A decent amount of comfort given its criteria or its category. I mean, this is not a foam sneaker, this doesn't have boost, this doesn't have anything wild in terms of cushioning technology. When you put this up to other kind of solid midsole sneakers, this is pretty decent given the amount of padding and the nice materials on top. And when it comes to sizing for this, I personally went true to size. I didn't feel like there was any issues with that, so that's kind of what I would recommend to you guys, is go your true to size. But again, I just kind of thought that this was a really cool kind of budget option for anybody looking for a solid summer pair of sneakers. Of course, as these get more hyped, I don't know whether they will garner the amount of energy that people have around Nike Dunks. If you just can't get your hands on a pair of Dunks, I feel like this is a decent alternative, and I think just in general this looks like a sick pair of shoes. Great for summer, great for your pockets. These are easily accessible. There's a good amount of colorways that are out right now, and of course I'm sure they're going to be releasing a plenty of other colorways in the near future as well. Considering what we're used to paying for pairs of shoes, I feel like this is really refreshing to see such a well-made pair of sneakers at a decent price point. But either way, I'm very interested to know what you guys think about the Adidas Forum Low. Are you going to be picking these up, or are you going to be passing? Of course, like I said, there's plenty of other different variants, not just the low buckleless version, but again, the buckle, the mid, and the high. Let me know what you think about this colorway as well down in the comment section. And again, thank you so much for coming through, hanging out. Thank you for liking, commenting, and of course subscribing. I will catch you guys in the next one, but until then.